Hello, today we'll be going over the Aton Basic H interface. First, we have the red power button. This will be used to start and stop the dryer. It's important to note that the dryer should not be shut off using the main electrical disconnect on the front of the unit. If the unit is abruptly shut off, the heater element could be damaged and result in a premature failure. The second red button is the timer on-off button. When the timer function is enabled, the indicator light above the timer will illuminate. Next, the mode key. This is used to cycle between the dryer menus. The up and down arrow keys are used to change menu values. The LEDs on the top row indicate if components or features are enabled. On the top left, we have the heater icon. This is used to indicate if the process heater is active. This is only used if the dryer is controlling a single Silmax drying hopper. The heater for the drying hopper is mounted on the back of the drying hopper and is responsible for heating the dry air provided by the dryer to the drying temperature specified by the manufacturer. Next, we have the material protection indicator light. If the dryer is connected to a single drying hopper, this light will be turned on if the return air temperature is above the set point. If this occurs, the heater for the silo is shut off to protect the material from over-drying. Next, we have the regen heater indicator light, which will come on whenever the regen heater for the unit is powered on. Beyond that, we have the eco mode indicator light. With a dew point sensor installed, eco mode will come on if the dew point of the process air is below the set point. The regen heater power will be limited until the dew point returns to the set point. With the heater power limited, the energy consumption of the unit will decrease drastically. Next, we have the degrees Fahrenheit indicator light. This is illuminated if Fahrenheit is used for the temperature scale. Next, we have the LED for the error buffer. You can scroll through the list of the alarms the unit has encountered in the 112 error buffer menu. Lastly, we have the key lock icon. This LED will be illuminated if the key lock is enabled in the 150 menu. It can be disabled in the 153 menu. The operational status LEDs are along the bottom of the display. You can cycle through these using the mode key. On the bottom left, we have the process temperature actual value. Next to that, we have process temperature set point. This menu can only be adjusted using the up and down arrow if the dryer is controlling a single drying hopper. For units with multiple Silmax hoppers, individual control panels will be located in front of each hopper. Next, we have the LED for the dew point actual value. Next is the LED for the dew point set value. This value can be adjusted with the up and down arrows. Next, we have the return air actual and set values. This will only be accessible if the dryer is controlling a single drying silo. This allows us to set the point where material saver function engages. Lastly, we have the pre-drying clock icon. From this menu, the pre-drying time can be set in half-hour increments using the up and down arrows. On the left of the screen, the start-stop LEDs are used for setting the timer feature. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our Material Handling Service Department at 860-496-9603, extension 168. Thank you very much, and as always, enjoy your new Whitman product.